Have you ever wondered what makes the Franciscan Renewal Center, affectionately known as the CASA, such a special place? I'm Father Page, the rector of Our Lady of the Angels Church. At the CASA, we embrace a mission of spiritual growth, healing and transformation, and service to others. I would like to invite you to see our vision and mission come alive. Join us for our Discover the Vision, a guided tour where you'll experience the heart of the CASA. Learn about our unique programs, our services, and our ministries that uplift and inspire. Whether you're seeking spiritual renewal, a path to healing, or a deeper way to serve others, this is your chance to connect with our vibrant community and discover how the CASA can be a part of your journey. We'd love for you to join us. The tours are held on the first Thursday of every month at 11 a.m. Please come and see how the CASA is more than a place. It's a community, a mission, and a home for all.